Welcome to content writing class. So you are here in a content writing class. We should probably define the term. So what is content writing in any way? Content writing is the process of providing relevant information, usually for online websites and blogs. Content writing can inform, persuade, or entertain, and is usually aimed at a target audience. Content writing differs considerably from copywriting, another common writing profession. Copywriting is aimed at marketing. Typically, copywriters will create ads, both print and online, and other content meant to sell products or services. While content writers may indirectly help a marketing campaign, content writing is normally intended to inform, persuade, or entertain readers. Online content writing is almost designed to increase page views or the number of unique users who look at a particular web page. So, to increase page views, content writers often use a technique called search engine optimization, or SEO, to increase the probability of a web page ending up high and a user search. So, in the next series of videos, we'll start breaking down content writing and discuss what it takes to be a content writer. What would you want to be a content writer, and what challenges you may face as a content writer? What you would want to be a content writer, and what challenges you may face as a content writer.